Investing through SIP is a smart way to build wealth. But are you missing out on something big? SIP top up. Meet Sonia and Rohan. Both started SIP of 5,000 rupees per month. Sonia sticks to 5,000 rupees each month for 20 years. Rohan, he increases his SIP by 500 rupees every year. That's just a top up of 42 rupees per month. Sonia has built a corpus of around 46 lakh rupees. But Rohan, thanks to SIP top up, he's sitting on over 74 lakh rupees. Top up SIP help your investments keep up with inflation and rising income. SIP top up. Small increase, big difference.